Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. I'm changing my apartment for spring. In today's video, I'm going to work on my entryway.
There's a face in the mirror, I think I know. I guess I'm starting to see some things that I never thought I would.
And if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, I do my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me. Guys, it's all in one TV channel. And to all my current subscribers, thank you so much, guys. I'm truly grateful for all of you. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful, and keep on watching.
I wanna see a familiar face and a friend to take my...
Everything I use in this video, there's some stuff I already have at the house, and I'm going to try my best to leave the link.
And your faith will come washing up on shore. And I've been here before, I think I've told you.
Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde, bienvenue sur channel ça. Si vous la pour première fois, moi c'est tout bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager. Et si c'est pas pour première fois, oh là, moi je dis merci en pile pour support. Merci en pile parce que vous abonnez, merci en pile parce que vous toujours continuez venir supporter. Sans nous-mêmes, channel ça pas exister. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Et à tous mes abonnés, un grand merci pour votre support. Je vous aime beaucoup.
Where all the things you want to feel you are. Chase that morning, close your eyes. You wanna wake up where there's no goodbyes.
I'm using most of the stuff that I already have. Like I said, I don't buy stuff too often. I just move them places and then, you know, change the look. Since it's already a small place, so I don't have to do too much. This is the finished look, guys. Let me know what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like it, and share it. And guys, I'm currently working on a bathroom makeover. Be sure to not miss it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep on watching. I just want to let you know, guys, whenever I'm counting my blessing, you are part of it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!